everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pixie Bob Haircut. How are you friends? I hope all of you fine and happy. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. So friends, today my video topic is about what face shape is good for a pixie haircut. So friends, first of all, we know that when people see a woman with a pixie bob, some of them think something like, wow, it was so brave of her to get such a short haircut. She must be going through something. Yes, there is a stereotype that women find it hard to say goodbye to their long hair, so they only can cut it when life lets them down. Of course, it's quite a common reason for getting a shortcut. But wait, what about adding something new to your style? How many times you saw a girl with a cool pixie cut and thought that you would like to have some style changes? Now we want you to read it carefully. Always let yourself experiment. Don't wait until something bad happens to get a hairstyle you always wanted but hesitated for some reason. No more reasons, no more excuses. Just go and get yourself a cool bob to face any situation with a brand new and totally breathtaking haircut. Let's see how you can do that. So friends, basically on square, heart-shaped and oval faces, all pixie hairstyles look amazing. This particular hairstyle complements round face forms by creating angles that visibly lessen the roundness of the face. So friends, is a pixie cut layered? Long or shorter angle side fringes are common additions to the modern pixies. They are now worn with undercuts and sharp layers. The contrast in lengths, such as long top hair with short tapped sides with back hair, is very fashionable.